G'day guys, 2Aussie here again. What's cracking? So today what I'm going to make is a barbecue chicken and pineapple pizza. Haven't tried this one before, but I saw it in the supermarket in the frozen section and I thought the frozen ones never taste good, but this one, if I make it myself, could be a ripper. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and make this a pretty short video. I'll do it a bit in time lapse. But this is the ingredients, not much to it, pretty easy one. We got pizza base, and like I always say, it's my little pizza base from Aldi, which I love Aldi. Got some chicken, pineapple, some barbecue sauce, and some pizza cheese. So pretty simple ingredients, and I'll assemble a pizza, whack it in the oven, and we'll see how it goes. I'm sure it'll be a great little pizza, and like I said, a pretty easy one too. So I'll put it together and we'll see how it comes out. So that's the pizza done. I put quite a bit of ingredients on there because there is only two things, chicken and pineapple. So guys, I'll whack that in the oven. Looks like a little ripper so far, and I'm sure it'll come out and it'll be nice and tasty. So I'll whack it in the oven and then we'll see how it goes. So guys, here's the end result, all cooked. I've let it cool down a little bit so I can do this without burning myself. I'm really looking forward to this because this is something I haven't tried before. I think it'll be a great pizza. There's only one way to find out. It's slipping everywhere. So that's pretty good. Now for the taste test. So I'm pretty happy with the end result. Let's see if we can find a nice piece that shows everything off. Okay, so now for the big taste test. Like I said, never tried this before. That's a beauty. Little ripper. I've said in a couple of my videos before, guys, that I'm not that into barbecue sauce, but I do really like barbecue sauce with chicken and bacon and that sort of thing. I just think things like meat lovers, for me, I prefer tomato based. And talking about that, I'm planning on doing a video in the future of a barbecue meat love, well not barbecue, a meat lovers pizza with tomato base, which I really like. So anyway guys, that's it. Barbecue chicken and pineapple pizza. Real beauty. Pretty easy to make, pretty simple, only 2 ingredients. So guys, that's it for the video, and thanks, and remember, you can never be too Aussie. Hooroo!